Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute donut. You can use a marker or a pencil, whatever you like to draw with. I'm going to use a marker so that my lines stick out for you to see. To begin, we're going to make a really big circle. It's going to take up most of that page. So I'm going to start with a big U on the bottom. Starting from here, making my way around. Going carefully to the other side. And of course you could go a lot faster. You can always take a break if you need to and divide up that shape. And it's okay if our line is imperfect because at the end we can always go over our lines with a marker. So we're going to make the top of that donut and we're going to start a little bit to the right on the outside because there's frosting and we want to show that. So we're going to make another big N now. So I started a little bit out and you can see that indent on the side. I'm making my way up and going down and ready to touch that other side by moving it in a little bit. Now we're going to make a swervy line or a wavy line that divides up the frosting from the donut. Okay, the pressure's on. I'm going to start going down and then I'm going to go a little bit more up and down, a little bit up and down, a little bit up and down. Oh, oops. Okay, I made a mistake. That's okay. Again, we're going to go over this with a marker, so whatever lines we mess up, it's okay. I'm using a marker, but if you're using a pencil, you can always pause the video and erase. I'm just trying to touch it up right now so it doesn't look terrible for you. But it's okay to make mistakes because we can always fix them. I don't know about you, but I used to get really frustrated and mad when I didn't get it right on the first try. No one told me that it was okay to make mistakes. It's totally okay to make mistakes. All right, let's make that middle of the donut. We're going to kind of go in the middle here, and then we're going to make a U shape. See, right there. But it's a really flat kind of U, not a sharp U. There we go. And now we're going to make a curved line starting from the middle, like edges of that U to make it look nice and round. Ooh, that looks so good. All right, our donut's almost complete. Let's give it some eyes because we're trying to make it look cute. So we're gonna make a big circle and make a tiny circle in the inside with that light glare. You can make it on the top, you can make it on the side, and then make another tiny circle right there. And I'm gonna make another circle on the other side because I want my donut to have two eyes. Here's that circle. And make another tiny circle in the inside. And then another tiny circle on the bottom. Just whenever you make your light glare, you always want to make sure it goes in the same direction. And I'm going to quickly color in the eyes black so that it really pops and you can see what it looks like. You can always pause the video or you can watch and then choose to color later on when we are ready to color. Quickly finishing up, and let's get ready to start drawing the mouth. So I'm going to put it right in between the two eyes, making another U shape, so many U's, and then make a bigger U that goes a lot lower for the bottom of its mouth, and a cute M for the inside. Our cute donut is complete and ready to color. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you feel comfortable with. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.